ในโลกที่กำลังเข้าสู่สงครามการค้าและปัญหาทางภูมิรัฐศาสตร์ยังมีอีกหนึ่งตลาดที่ยังคงเติบโตได้ดีนั่นคือจีนนั่นเองค่ะวันนี้เราจะมาพูดถึงโอกาสใหม่ๆในการลงทุนในยุค Globalization 2.0 โดยจะไปเจาะลึกที่กองทุน ChinaAMC CSI A500 ETF ที่อาจจะเป็นกุญแจสำคัญในการลงทุนในอุตสาหกรรมใหม่ๆของจีนค่ะ
From tariffs to geopolitical tensions, the world is adapting to the new reality. Rather than signaling deglobalization, we believe the world economy is entering into globalization 2.0, a phase where regional cooperation and openness take center stage. By maintaining steady growth, supporting global supply chain integration, and leading innovation in areas like electronic vehicles, semiconductors, artificial intelligence, China has become cornerstone of global economic resilience and connectivity despite the challenging of trade frictions. These dynamics present exciting long-term opportunities for global investors. One of the most efficient ways to capture these opportunities is to invest through China's booming ETF markets, particularly CSI A500 ETF.which align closely with China's role in this ever-changing global environment. Recent years witnessed remarkable evolvement of China's ETF markets. The total AUM of China onshore ETF has grown from $80 billion in 2019 to nearly $500 billion by the end of 2024.The tremendous growth is driven by several key factors. Benefited by its transparency, simplicity, and low cost, ETF has been proved to be quite an effective tool for investors around the globe. Policy support. Chinese regulators and authorities have been actively encouraging the development of ETFs last few years.China's national team have been supporting the equity markets by purchasing ETFs, underscoring their strategic significance in maintaining market stabilities. Meanwhile, the rise of thematic and innovation-driven ETF have further fueled market growth. Within such a dynamic landscape, ChinaAMC has been maintaining the leadership in China asset management industry for 27 years. Today, ChinaAMC manages over $400 billion of assets for 240 million retail investors and over 300,000 institutional investors globally. As the first and the largest ETF issuer in China since 2004, ChinaAMC has been taking the dominant position in China's ETF market with nearly 20% of market share. The company also remained at the forefront of product innovation and defining China assets for global investors. So what is the best option among all the China ETFs to navigate the most compelling opportunities? A500 ETF stands out for a couple of reasons. Core assets with high profitability. The CSI A500 index focuses on high quality and productive core assets in China.The index covers nearly 10% of the A-share listed companies. However, these names generate 69% of the total net profit attributable to A-share shareholders. Furthermore, ESG factors are considered during stock selection. Only names with a CSI ESG rating of C or above are eligible for inclusion.Ensuring the index aligns with global sustainability standards and practice. Best proxy for emerging industry and economic transition in China, the CSI A500 index is designed to truly reflect China's economic transition. It focuses on emerging and innovative sectors such as technology hardware, semiconductors, biotech, and software services.By selecting market leaders in each sector, the A500 ETF reflects the trends of China's and world's future development, diversification, and risk mitigation. The A500 index stocks from all 35 CSI industry categories are selected based on their market cap, ensuring balanced distribution across various industries.This approach avoids over-concentration in any single sector, providing investors with an all-rounded exposure to China's economy. competitive long-term performance. Based on stats, A500 index has generated annualized return of 10.2% since December 2004, outperforming comparable indices over the same period. ROE of A500 index has constantly and significantly outperformed the overall Asia market over last 10 years, indicating higher earnings and the stronger self-funding capabilities of the selected companies. Its robust stock selection mechanism and focus on core assets lays a strong foundation for sustainable and long-term growth. It is worth mentioning that ChinaAMC's A500 ETF has the highest liquidity among peers, with average daily trading volume of over $400 million.
จากความแข็งแกร่งของเศรษฐกิจจีนในภาคนวัตกรรมและบทบาทของดัชนี CSI A500 ที่สะท้อนการเปลี่ยนผ่านไปสู่เศรษฐกิจยุคใหม่เราเห็นได้ว่าโอกาสยังคงมีอยู่ภายใต้ความท้าทายค่ะหากคุณกำลังมองหาการลงทุนที่มั่นคงมีศักยภาพในการเติบโตและเชื่อมโยงไปกับเศรษฐกิจจีนกองทุนเปิดบัวหลวงหุ้นจีน A500 Passive ที่ลงทุนใน ChinaAMC CSI A500 ETF อาจเป็นคำตอบของคุณค่ะ